I created this in just one click. Are you ready to learn about a powerful, yet affordable and easy to use new AI generator that can generate images like this, and even this, or images with transparent backgrounds, patterns, and stickers? Then stay tuned to learn about how you can create beautiful AI-generated artwork yourself. Next, you're going to head over to Creative Fabrica. I'm also throwing a referral link in the description box below that you can use to get a 1-month free trial for Creative Fabrica Spark that renews into an all-access subscription that includes full commercial and print-on-demand licensing for only $9 a month. This means you can use the AI-generated artwork you create as is because you have full print-on-demand commercial rights to each design you generate. Now for the fun part where we get to create art. I simply go to Spark, then create art. So all of these images that you see here, I was able to create just today, simply typing in text prompts. And as you can see, just the detail is absolutely incredible. This would have taken me hours and hours to create, or I would have had to have hired an artist to create these. And now by simply typing in a prompt, I'm able to create these. And once again, I have print-on-demand licensing for these, so I can throw these on any types of products that I want, or even sell them as digital items. Now let's talk about how we would go about creating these amazing images simply using a text prompt. So I would go back to the top. It's important to note that you can change the ratio size here by simply selecting 9:16 or 2:3 or 4:5. I'm going to select 4:5. That way if I want it for a poster or for a t-shirt, it's ready to go. And then I can hit ignite. And then Spark will generate 4 different images of an Italian landscape. So some of them may be paintings and some of them may be actual photographs. Now if I want to create a beautiful picture or portrait of an Italian landscape painting, I would want to try and type in a specific artist that I really like. So in this case, I typed in Thomas Kincaid Italian landscape, and I was able to generate this beautiful, amazing artwork in the style of Thomas Kincaid of the Italian countryside. In order to create really stunning AI art, it's important to provide very specific prompts, which is why I've created a free AI art prompt starter guide that includes tips and tricks to help you achieve amazing AI art results, including some proven prompts you can try yourself. It's available to download using the link in the description box below. I also recommend going to Spark Browse All Creations just so you can get an idea of the different types of artwork that other people have created using the AI generator. So for example, if I hover over this artwork, I can see the entire prompt that was used that I could then copy and paste to create a similar artwork. However, if I hover over this picture, I can see that this prompt is hidden, so I do not have access to the exact prompt that this artist used. However, a workaround this is to go in and download this photo, then go to Create Image Mixes, and from there you would upload that photo that you downloaded, and then you could actually create different variations of this design if you just wanted something that was similar or just inspired by that design. So the next really cool feature to explore is the pattern feature. So to go to this, you just go to Spark and then create patterns. And using a text prompt, I was able to generate all of these different types of patterns. So to generate these different types of floral patterns, I typed in bright vintage retro floral pattern. And as you can see here, you can do leopard print, you can do florals, the sky is the limit. And you can even zoom in on the pattern by selecting this here and zooming in and zooming out. So one of my favorite features is the ability to create transparent background PNGs. So you would just go to create transparent PNGs. And as you can see here, I was able to generate lots of different types of designs with a transparent background. So for example, I was able to create these fun rainbow tigers and some fun graphics here and watercolor graphics, as well as some vintage cameras. So as an example here, I typed in Lisa Frank inspired cartoon tigers with big eyes, hyper detailed 4D. And just so you know, those types of prompts like 4D, hyper detailed will help give you some super detailed images. So as you can see here, I got some really fun designs here. I actually really like these two here. So another fun feature is the ability to create sketches. So you would go to Spark and then create sketches. And as you can see here, I typed in cute bunny rabbit with long ears wearing sunglasses. And I was able to generate these adorable pictures, especially like this one. This would be great for Easter. You can also use the prompt builder to create and build your own prompt. So for example, I could put in whimsical fox plus an art medium. So maybe I want to do pastels and chalk. I'll do pastel art. And then next I can do chalkboard. And then maybe I want to do mosaic like this. I could add any banners or decals or signage, light. Maybe I want to do a light painting. And then I could be all done with my prompt. And then I could copy this prompt into the AI generator. The prompt book gives you lots of different ideas of proven prompts to use to create high-quality AI art, including some general prompts, animal prompts, human and character prompts, and even nature prompts. Next up, you may want to check out this playlist with beginner AI content. See you there.